Welcome back to the LNC Painter YouTube channel, and in today's video we're going to be working on this 2012 Audi A4 Avant. It's the wagon. Customer really loves this car. Had a bunch of dents, rock chips that we fixed all along the front and the side, as well as the front and rear bumpers. So everything got repaired, obviously primered. We're prepped and we're inside the spray booth ready to spray. And what I'm gonna do is pretty much we're just gonna spray the entire panels. We're gonna apply my dark gray sealer to cover everything up, give us a nice uniform undercoat. It's gonna be a lot easier to cover a darker grayer shade than this light gray. For now, we're gonna mix up our sealer. Moving on to our mixing room, I'm gonna use my ECS dark gray sealer, PPG. Oh, and also enjoying my brand new standing desk here. You can easily adjust it however much you need. So we're gonna raise it up, make it a lot easier to mix our sealer. I pulled it up right here on the computer, so it's giving me all the formulas and how much to pour. So let's get going. ECS 87, 700 parts. I'm gonna use the slow undercoat hardener just because it is a warm day and I want it to lay out nice and smooth. That way we have a nice smooth undercoat and foundation for our base coat. And our reducer, 115. I'll be using my Techna Pro Light 1.3 to apply my sealer, and I usually apply it at 28 psi. Check it out, our sealer is applied and it's already dry. It's been well over 20 minutes and check it out. Very clean, very uniform, no dirt or any other imperfections, giving us the perfect undercoat and foundation for our PPG waterborne paint. Man, looks nice. Looks a lot better than it did with the gray and black, but now we can easily apply our 2 coats of base over everything, plus a control coat. It is a metallic, so we're gonna need to finalize the metallics, how they lay out, so that way we don't have any blotchiness or any uneven patches in our paint job after clear coat. And now we can mix up our base. LZ9Y is our paint code, LZ9Y, Audi Phantom Black. We're gonna be doing the prime variant. Here's our toners needed. We'll mix 20 ounces. Here we go. For this job, I use my Sagara 4600 Extreme with the DVR Aqua Cap. Very nice, clean gun, lightweight, very durable, has a built-in pressure gauge, and then the adjuster right here on the bottom. The base coat is dry. We're moving on to clear coat. We'll be using PPG EC530 with the 5075 hardener, and I'll be using my Sagara 4600 but with the DVR titania cap. Same gun I use for the base coat, except for the cap it's different. Atomizes it a lot better, has a lot more holes, and lays down the clear a lot smoother. We'll mix up a full cup EC530, 25 ounces. The Audi A4 Avant is finally painted and it's looking beautiful, shining like a diamond. It looks absolutely beautiful, gonna look even better once it's all assembled, washed, detailed, and ready to go, just like it did when it was brand new. Let's give it a quick unmask and take it out.